Now that you've finished the bottom one, go ahead and open up the top one. So here's the top part open. If I right click, I can rotate this around and look at it. And I want the milling machine CPL to be in this corner. So let's first stock it. Make sure it says automatic, click OK. And then we go to Geometry, Create Cpl. This is the same thing we did in the other one. Click Origin through 3 points. Click OK. I got to rotate it around so I can see just this corner. There we go. Just this corner. Then the back left one, and then the front again. And if the CPL doesn't show up in exactly that spot, then you got to do it again. So you can undo it, you can reopen the part. If you go to edit, you can delete CPL. There's lots of options. The last thing we got to do is do Feature Finder. Make sure it says Auto, and then OK. There should be very few features. We just have the flat face and 2D pocket. So click Milling Mode, Manufacture Mode on the top right corner, way up here, and this window pops up. Discipline Mill Machine Tool Pro Light, and then click OK. And we are going to rough this out. So click Roughing, 2D Pocket, and then enter twice. We have a 50% step over. Tooling is 40, 20, 6000, diameter 0.25. And depth on this one is going to be 0.15. It's milling out a 0.3 inch pocket. So 0.15 will make 2 depth cuts. And let's see if that's correct. It appears like there are 2 cuts, 2 lines right next to each other. So let's simulate this, take a look at it. Click play. There's the first cut, and there's the second cut. So all is well, looks good. X out of that one. Now we got to save this as generating NC code. And so put your name in there, click OK. And I already did this, so I'm overwriting it. Yours isn't going to say that. Put your name in there. And we do not want to have the tool change, so get rid of that. And again, we have to fix our spindle speed to 6000 instead of 5000. And there are no other tools that we use. We only use one operation, so we don't have to change anything else in the code. So if you click File, save this one as, and go ahead and save this as NC code top of box, and then save it into your documents, and you're ready to go.